Hello everybody, you're watching the Tech World YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your blockchain wallet. So blockchain wallet is a cryptocurrency storing wallet where you guys can store your crypto NFTs and anything related with crypto and digital currency. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can log in into your blockchain wallet. But before that, you need to download blockchain wallet. And it's pretty simple. You can go to your Play Store or App Store and download it. Once you download it, there's going to be an open button and from over here. Before moving forward, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And remember, anything related with crypto, there's a chance of it being had stored or anything. And this video is just for educational purpose. We do not promote blockchain wallet. So any fraud or anything that happened to your crypto, your money, and blockchain wallet, we are not responsible for it. You guys are yourself. Alright, so this is just for educational purpose. Now with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Once you download blockchain wallet, just click on open. Once you click on open, it's going to open up just like this. If you don't have a wallet, you can click and create a wallet. But we already have a wallet. So we're just going to click on login. After you click on login, you got to enter your email address over here, which I'm going to do right now, and your email address you want to click on continue. And on the next step, it's going to ask you to verify your email. So I'm going to go to my email to verify my account over here. Once you verify your cell phone or email, it's going to take you on the next step where it's going to ask you for the password of your account. And just make sure to verify yourself after you do that. Read this passport, enter your passport, and click on continue. And basically, if the passport and the email you entered here is correct, you should be able to log in into your blockchain wallet account just like this. So hope you guys understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on everybody. And where it says choose a wallet pin is basically asking you to create yourself a wallet pin, alright. You don't have to remember your older wallet pin, you can just create a new wallet pin over here, alright. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe everybody, and bye bye.